Here's my Ryobi shop vac. Love this thing. It's great. I've had it on the boat for a few years now. It does water. It does. So it's a shop vac, so it can suck up. It's wet or dry. It's pretty compact. It's heavy duty. It just uses the regular Ryobi batteries that you can get. I think they 12 volts. 18-volt lithium batteries that you get. Pop them in, and it runs great. It comes with a couple of attachments, of course, the little wand and the other one, which I might have misplaced. It's probably in my tool shed. To empty it, you just pop this off. Pop it off. It's pretty gross in there because it's a shop vac. And you just dump it. Been one of the best tools I've ever purchased. I use it for sucking out the bilge all the time, or the other places, or particles, or whatever, or when I'm sanding, or whatever. It's a shop vac. It works great. I'm very happy with it. And it's small, and it fits where I need it to fit.
Yeah.
It fits right in here normally, and this thing comes out here, and then just stretch it. It stretches. And it just pops back in there, and it's good to go. Actually, it goes on this. Ta-da! There's another one too.
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.